we will show you two easy methods to convert images into PDF on your mobile device. Hey guys, we are the Tech Bros and welcome to our new video. Open Google Photos and select the image that you want to convert. I am going to convert an image on my device. For that, select Library option on the bottom right corner and you can see Photo on Device section. Select the Camera option and choose the image that you need to convert. After choosing the image, select More option on the top right corner and select Print option. A new page opens like this. Select on All Printer option here and choose Save as PDF. After that, select Save icon. Then you can save the image as PDF on Download folder after selecting Save option. The second method. In this method, you can convert multiple images into a single PDF file. Open Gallery and select images that you need to convert. Then select More option on the bottom right corner. You can find Print or Export to PDF option. Select it. A new page opens. Choose Save as PDF and select Save icon. Then the PDF can be saved on the Downloads folder. Like this video if it helped and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. Comment below if the second method works. And don't forget to share with your friends. See ya.